Revelations coming in right now. This is the probe, the Yashwant Verma probe report. Cash was recovered, burnt cash was removed. At least 10 witnesses examined by the panel acknowledge having seen burnt or half-burnt currency notes. And I'm being joined by Ridham, my colleague, who's joining us right now, our executive editor, legal. Yes, Ridham, this is a huge coming in. If you could just take our viewers through what we are learning of. The probe report has got some details, sensational details. Ridham.
Well, the committee has held the money and cash that was found in the storeroom located within the premises of 30 Tughlaq Crescent, New Delhi, occupied by Justice Verma, the source of which could not be accounted for by Justice Verma. They've said the most trusted personnel of him, the domestic staff Raheel and Rajinder Singh Karki, the private secretary, were instrumental in removing the burnt cash. The probe panel is indicting Justice Verma. The findings of the in-house probe are evidence including burnt sacks of notes were moved out of the room. Destruction of key evidence, judge's personal staff is suspected. Role of Justice Verma's secretary is now under question. Unnamed people made several trips to clean the scene of crime. Room was not accessible to all, contrary to Justice Verma's claim. Room remained locked, broken open only after the fire incident. Not all sacks of money were burnt in the fire. Some were moved later. This is very... Let me also go across to the Allahabad High Court Bar Association head, Anil Tiwari, who's now joining us. Mr. Tiwari, what you and I knew already has now been proven true. This is also the reason why you didn't want Justice Verma to be transferred back to the Allahabad High Court. Now the proof is out. It's unaccounted cash in his storeroom. Even after this, Mr. Tiwari, Justice Verma, when he was written by former Chief Justice of India, refused to step down. What do we make out of this arrogance and this anger and his attack on the in-house committee report?
देखिए, मेरा रिएक्शन तो पहले दिन से यही है. My first reaction was that Allahabad High Court is not a dustbin. My first reaction. And today what I am saying, I am demanding कि बड़ा अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट ये है क्या ये रिपोर्ट के कंटेंट्स की जानकारी मीडिया के माध्यम से हो रही है. आप ये देखिए, अगर आज हिंदुस्तान की मीडिया इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होती तो हिंदुस्तान की जनता को एक अक्षर भी पता नहीं है, एक शब्द नहीं जानती इस रिपोर्ट के बारे में. My request is Justice Verma should immediately resign. आप देखिए, अगर जस्टिस वर्मा की जो बात है, लेटर जो उन्होंने दिया, उसमें साफ कहते हैं रिपोर्ट पर उनको बड़ा अनवारंटेड तरीके से ये सब किया गया. क्या वो उन 3 हाई कोर्ट जजेस को, 1 चीफ जस्टिस एंड 2 अदर जजेस, whether Mr. Verma is accusing those judges, whether Mr. Verma is accusing of being impartial in his matter, those 3 judges and CGI. This is the question. Justice Verma is not entitled to continue even for a single second on this post. Immediately he should be removed by impeachment process. That will take time. He should immediately resign, or CGI is requested to pass an order directing FIR against him immediately without any further delay. You see the contents are still not available in public domain. But thanks to your channel, thanks to media, that we have got certain information from that report that 10 witnesses have been examined. Whether those 10 witnesses who are making statement before the committee, which is presided by the Chief Justice of 1 court and 2 other judges, whether these 10 persons are lying before the committee. So this is a very serious matter. I am in practice since last 35 years. But now I am requesting my coming generations not to join this profession if such judges are existing. This is institution has got a great damage in this case. That is my reaction, and Allahabad High Court is adamant in continuing this agitation until Mr. Verma resigns. Even 30 high courts of all India Federation have been created. Mr. Vivek Reddy, Mr. Dikshit from Gujarat, Yashwant from Kerala, everybody is organizing protest against him. Still, he is continuing. He's what he wants to do. He's taking time. He's buying time. He's buying time because he knows that impeachment process is very tedious process, and he can manage it. So everything is now clear. My request is through your channel that Mr. Verma should immediately step down.
I also want to ask you, Mr. Tiwari, this is a request that's been made to him also by former Chief Justice of India, but he refused to do so. In fact, he said that I have not been given a proper hearing by the in-house committee, and he's attacked the in-house committee report.
What hearing is required? Even suspicion is sufficient for removal of a judge. For not the state, that the proverb is that judges are Caesar's wife. They are above suspicion. Why this sentence is not applied to IAS officer, to any political person? It applies only to the judges. That is why suspicion is sufficient for his removal. What else? Whether cash is not required, can he deny the cash is not required? There are judgments of the Supreme Court that if you are given opportunity and that opportunity provides you nothing, then material is unrebuttable. Then inquiry, then opportunity of hearing is not at all required, and Justice Verma should not be given. हाँ, अगर वो चाहते हैं डिफेंस, तो let FIR be filed and trial होने दीजिए. ट्रायल में अपना डिफेंस दिखाते रहे कि कहाँ से कैश आया, किसका कैश था. अगर जस्टिस वर्मा इतने साफ थे, तो कैश की खबर मिलने के बाद उन्होंने खुद FIR क्यों नहीं की? उनको खुद बाहर आके FIR करनी चाहिए थी और कहना चाहिए था मीडिया में कि जब तक ये क्लीन शीट नहीं होती तब तक मैं जज नहीं के रूप में काम नहीं करूंगा. अगर ये काम उन्होंने 15 तारीख को कर दिया होता तो आज जस्टिस वर्मा के ऊपर ये चार्जेस ना होते. 15 तारीख से लेके 14 तारीख से लेके 21 तारीख तक ये बातें छिपाई क्यों गई? हाई कोर्ट में भेज के चुपके से इनकी ओथ कराई गई, क्लैंडस्टाइन तरीके से ओथ कराई गई. हाई कोर्ट की रजिस्ट्री को भी नहीं पता था, बार एसोसिएशन को नहीं पता. केवल 6 जजेस के सामने इनकी ओथ हुई है, वो भी चैम्बर में. तो वेदर ही कुछ भी वो कह सकते हैं, उनके पास कोई चीज कहने के लिए नहीं है. मैं तो सीधे सीधे कहूंगा, दिस इज ओनली बेशर्मी, नथिंग एल्स.
Where is Justice Verma, who is in the eye of fire right now, sir? Any clue? Is he in Allahabad? Where is he right now?
No, we are not aware. His residence is in Allahabad, but no, I have not seen him moving in Allahabad city. I don't know whereabouts him. He is not attending the court. He is not coming to the court, even to his chamber. He is not coming.
I want to ask you one final question, Mr. Tiwari. There has been the Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankar, who has spoken about this, questioned why no FIR has been filed. Senior advocates in the top court, including lots of them, Dr. Abhishek Singhvi, Mr. Hari Salve, all of them have said and spoken in one unison voice against Justice Verma. When such pillars of the democracy are speaking against him, isn't it time at least an FIR should be filed, including yourself?
Immediately.
Since the start,
in the entire country, from the lawyers community, only one lawyer, Mr. Kapil Sibal. Why he is defending him, I am not aware. But he was a president of the Supreme Court Bar Association. He failed in his duty to protect the law and to protect the purity in the system of law. Mr. Sibal is also responsible for his support to Mr. Verma. Mr. Kapil Sibal is answerable to the public also. Everybody is asking why Abhishek Manu Singhvi has written an article published in probably Hindustan Times or Times of India. And Mr. Hari Salve is such a giant personality. Mr. Dushyant Dave, everybody is saying that, look here, Mr. Verma, please resign, please resign. But this man is an FIR तो होना ही चाहिए. निश्चित तौर पर धनखड़ साहब ने सही कहा, हमारी पहली यही डिमांड थी. मेरी तो एक और डिमांड भी है. इनके सारे जजमेंट्स की स्क्रूटनी की जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि ही हैज सोल्ड द जजमेंट्स. इन्होंने जजमेंट्स बेचा है इसके में, और उन जजेस को ये बदनाम कर रहे हैं जो हमारे यहाँ 99% जजेस ईमानदार हैं.
पहले हम ये देखने वाले हैं. वैसे the one thing we're going to see first is whether the impeachment proceeding is going to be held quickly. We're expecting this to happen quickly. I thank you, sir, for giving us your views. we toss back to the studio, but remember, our top focus on
And
this
I will
biggest
also-
judicial scandal continues.
Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Tiwari. Thank you so much for joining us. And the biggest judicial scandal, of course, in the history of India right now. We're getting all the latest updates. And the report, of course, is now making damning revelations. This is the Justice Verma case, Republic.